Welcome to PSM Perfect Solution for Math. I'm your tutor Sumant PF. Today we are going to learn arithmetic progression exercise 5.3 for the NCERT and exercise 1.3 for the KSEEB. Topic name is sum of the first n terms of an AP. In that we are going to learn the question number 16. This is a question number 16 is a statement form question, so concentrate. Coming to the question number 16. Here the question is a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. The question here is clear. The sum of the amount, how much is the prize amount, total prize amount is over here, is they have mentioned over here is rupees 700. And they have to give how many cash prizes? 7 cash prizes. So next they have given if each price is 20 rupees less than the preceding price, means who will come first for him, if they will give 100 rupees, for example I am taking for understanding purpose, if they will give 100 rupees for the first prize, who will come first, who will come second, for him 20 rupees less they will do in this and they will give him 80. Then the third prize is going for this 80 minus 20, again 60. So next will be 40, 20, so on. Like this way they will give the prize amount. Understood? So 20 rupees less for each term. This minus 20 is nothing but what? The difference between the two prices. So it is a minus 20 will become a D value. Understood? So minus 20 will become the D value, and the first prize we don't know. I have taken here 100 because for example purpose I have taken, but they have not given this 100 rupees or 80 rupees. So what is the first prize will be? That is only they have given to find. That you have to find what is the first prize, what is the second prize, what is the third prize, what is the fourth prize, what is the fifth prize. They have to find that. So how to find? To find that we have to take the first prize as anything. Always in AP what we will do? The first term what we will take? That we will take as A. Yes. So here also we will take a let first prize is equals to, we can give as A. Okay. The simple word we can use as A. What will be the second prize now? Second prize will be what now? So here they have given for this first prize they have to minus how much? 20. Then that will be a second prize. Means if there is 100, the second prize will be 100 minus 20, that is equal to 80. For example. So here what we have? The first prize A. Yes. So A minus 20 will become the second prize. What will be the third prize? Third prize will become A minus 2 into 20. Why it is a minus 2 into 20? For example over here, if you want to find the third prize, for example we have taken 100, yes, here 100 we have taken. Second it was 80, next it was 60, yes. So now how to find this third prize? That is nothing but 100. A means 100. A minus 2 into 20 I have taken. So A means 100 minus 2 times 20. Why it is 2 times 20? Because third prize 1, 2. So 2 times 20. So 100 minus 2, 20 is a 40. 100 minus 40 is nothing but 60. The third prize we got. If it is the fourth prize, 100 minus 3 times 20, it is nothing but 100 minus 60. 320 is a 60. So fourth prize will be 40. Similar way it will move. So here fourth prize will be A minus 3 into 20. Fifth prize will be A minus 4 into 20. And the sixth prize will be A minus 5 into 20. And lastly the seventh prize we have to find. Seventh prize will be A minus 6 into 20. So like this way we have to find. Understood? This is the concept. So here the first prize I have not mentioned. So we have taken as A. Second prize will be 20 less than the previous, that is first prize, that is A minus 20. Third prize will be A minus 2 times 20. It is similar to the equation A1 is equals to A, A2 is equals to A plus D we are doing, yes. So here D value is negative. So like this way also you can do. The minus because of this negative we have, that's negative 20 we have. Okay, that is we can write down D also, A plus D also. Then A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Here D value is negative. So in position of A, we have written A, but in position of D, what I have written? Minus 20, because D value is minus 20. Okay. So similar way, I have written everything. So this is the introduction for this question. So like this way we have to solve. Now similar method here, what the heck you want? Total amount is 700 mentioned. What is the total amount? 700. Total. The sum of 700 rupees is used to give 7 cash prizes. So here SN, the total amount is SN, that is equal to 700 rupees. And 7 cash prizes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the N value? N value is nothing but 7. This is the thing they have given in the statement form. It is not direct, but we have to understand what is there in the question first, then we can solve it. Remember, statement form questions, you have to think correctly and you have to write down what is given. Let's start the solution for this. What is the solution? Here they have given that total amount is S 700 rupees. So sum of all the amount, that Sn is equal to 700, that we will write down first. And there are 7 cash prizes, so n value will become 7. So first we have to write down what is the thing. The prizes, how many prizes we have then? We have the 7 prizes, so I can write down the 7 prizes as A minus 20, A minus 40, A minus 60, then A minus 80, A minus 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more we need, A minus 120. So here you will ask, why have written A, then A minus 20? It is okay because I have explained already. But how it is A minus 40? A minus 40 is nothing but, for this preceding price they are subtracting 20 for each preceding price. So first one is A, then A minus 20, then this one we are, when we are finding, there is nothing but the preceding is A minus 20, then here also again we have to minus 20. So how much it is? A minus 20 is that is minus 20 only, again minus 20. So both are negative, both negative symbol only, both are same symbol, so we have to add. So 20 plus 20 is 40. When we are finding this, what we have to do? Then again for this price, that is A minus 40, we have to minus again 20. So A is as it is, minus minus we have, so minus only. So 40 and 20 both are having the same symbol, that is negative. So 40 plus 20, it is 60. So while finding this, how to do this? So A minus 60 is the preceding, the previous one. For that again we have to minus 20. So A minus 60 minus 20 is A minus 80. So next, A minus 100, how we got? That is nothing but A minus 80 minus 20. Both are negative, negative symbol. 80 and 20 both having same symbol, so we have to add. Lastly, A 120, how we got? That is nothing but A minus 100, the previous one. For that again 20 rupees less. So it is nothing but A minus 100 plus 20 is 120. So this is the way we got this 7 cash prizes. So I think you understood this. So now we will solve. So now how to continue this? So continuation is easy part. Now we have to substitute the Sn formula, because here they have given the Sn value for us. So Sn is equals to, here which formula you are going to apply, whether you are going for 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or n by 2 into a plus an. That is nothing but, here you have to go only for 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So now continuation part. So n value we know, the S7, the thing is n value is 7, you can write down as 7, or directly 700 also you can write down here. So Sn value already given as what? 700. Yes. So again no need to confuse you. So directly I will write 700. N value is 7 divided by 2 into what is the first term? So what is the first term over here? That is nothing but a only. Write down a. So plus n value 7 minus 1 into d. D is nothing but minus 20. So d value difference they have given, less 20 rupees less, means how much? D value will become minus 20. Remember, D value you have to understand, 20 rupees less they have given, not more. If they have given more means plus 20, less means minus 20. So these are the statement form question. So now again we can't cancel the 7 and 2. Write down that is 700 is equal to 7 by 2 as it is, or you can shift the 7 by 2 on this side also. If you want now only, you can shift, otherwise you can keep it as it is. Next we can, so we can shift that. 2 into a is 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6. and next we have in a bracket minus 20. I will return as it is. Now very importantly, here you can see this 2 by 7 by 2 we can shift on the other side. It will become 2 by 7. Okay, 700. When we shift this 7 by 2, what will happen? It will reciprocal, means it will change its order, means numerator go to the denominator, denominator go to the numerator. Next here we have 2a. So plus into minus is minus, 620 is the 120. So now you can do the calculation. So calculation is nothing but 7 ones are 20, so 200 it is. Now the continuation 100 into 2 I will write down here. 100 into 2 is nothing but what? 200. That is equals to 2a minus 120. So this is continuation part I have written over here. So minus 120, when you will shift, what will happen on the other side? What will happen? It will become 1 plus 120. That is equals to 2a. So 200 plus 120 is nothing but 320. That is equals to 2a. So a as it is, 320 as it is. This 2 will go to the denominator, divide by 2. So 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 1 is left, 12, 2 6 are 12, then 0 we have 0. So 160 will become the a value. Okay, so we found the first price, this first price amount we found. So now we have to find the other price amount. So here I will write down first price. Okay, the first price we have taken as what? A. That is equals to 160. What is the second price will be? Second price will be a minus 20. The second price over here is a minus 20. It is nothing but 160 minus 20. That is equals to a value is 160, so I have written 160 minus 20 as it is. 160 minus 20 is 140. Then the third price. So what is the third price now? A minus 40. That is equals to 160 minus 40. That is equals to 120. The fourth price, that is equals to a minus 60, that is equals to 160 minus 60, it is equals to 100. You can write directly, you can write down, because you know 20 difference we have, so directly also we can write, otherwise like this way we can write down and we can find the answer. So 160 minus 80, so here we got 160 minus 80 is nothing but 80. Next coming for the sixth price. So sixth price over here is nothing but, here we can see the sixth price a minus 100. So a minus 100 is nothing but 160 minus 100, it is equals to 60. And lastly we have to find the seventh price. Seventh price is nothing but a minus, that is 120. So last over here we have seventh price. So a minus means 160 minus 120, that is nothing but 40. So these are the cash prizes they have given for the academic performance, overall academic performance. The first prize is over here is 160, next is 140, 120, 100, then 80, then 60, then 40. So if you will add them, you must get total amount of 700 only. Understood? The sum of this all these terms, that is 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60 and 40, if you will add together, you must get 700 only. Then only you can verify your answer. So this is the all about how to solve this 16th question. So if you have a doubt, you can write it in a comment section, but it is a easy part. Here they have given in statement form, that is only one difficulty, otherwise it is a totally a easy part. Understood? So this much is for today's video. Please support my channel PSM First Word Solution for Math. Please like, subscribe and share. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.